You hear the word trader a lot in finance news, but what does the term actually mean in the modern market? A trader is someone who buys and sells financial assets like stocks, bonds, or currencies with the goal of making a profit. Unlike long-term investors who hold assets for years, traders focus on price fluctuations over days, hours, or even seconds. There are different styles, ranging from day traders who never hold overnight to swing traders looking for multi-day trends. It helps to distinguish between a trader and an investor. The trader bets on price direction, while the investor buys ownership stakes. This chart shows the relative time horizons, illustrating how traders operate on a much shorter timeline than traditional buy and hold investors. Successful trading is rarely about luck. It is a disciplined process focused on risk management and consistent probability. Understanding these roles helps you navigate the market. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more financial basics.